So hi guys, welcome back to the another video. So guys, today is Xander's Shakadera day. I mean, it's not his birthday obviously, duh. So it means we're gonna unbox this bay. So are you ready for this? So this is from Ancient Cards, so we might trash talk a bit about them. So they are really not a great seller. Anyways, let's not waste any more further time. Let's open the box and let's take a look at the bay inside. So here we go. And before we open the bay, it's not even flame, guys. What brand is it? Made in China, that I can see, obviously. What is SB? Okay, I guess it's from SB. I don't know what that means. Please tell me in comment section if you know what this SB means. Okay, let's open it. Yes, fastest unboxing ever. So, where is ripcord? So guys, 2-second silence for ripcord. And since this seems like a proto launcher, so obviously I don't have a proto launcher ripcord, so this is gonna go into trash, so I'm gonna throw it away. Yep, it's gone. This is, guys, something useful. So I have a lot of god base with which I can use this guy, so this is pretty useful. What's in there? And looks like this has been used or something. I mean, is that the reason why a ripcord was missing? What else? Okay, we got an Xaclibur layer. This seems new, honestly. Yeah, alright. This seems okay as well. Stickers are new as well. What's the matter with this? Pretty cheap, I guess. So let me throw these two off the table as well, because I don't think so we need them. Gone. So guys, this thing is pretty useful. If you have it, please keep it safely. And this is the only reason I actually bought this bay. You can use this to adjust this god chip, so that's why it's very useful. So, and this is the only reason why I bought this. And stickers are also of no use, so let me throw them away as well. Let's put together the bay. Yes, so for 550 rupees we got two things. The rest of the stuff we got, I threw it away because it was not useful at all. No worries. Let me bring down the weigh scale. So guys, we brought the weighing scale and let's weigh this guy down. Okay, it weighs 42 grams. So for an evolution bay, I think it's pretty good. The layer alone weighs 15.97 grams. Disc is 21 and the driver is 5 grams, so that's pretty good weight. I mean, it's not that bad. But there is one thing, I think these teeth, they're gonna get loose, guys, and I have seen this problem with fakes all the time. I have one more of this and it does like this, so I think after a time they will burst pretty much all the time. So for the competition, I brought two bays. This one is Screw Trident and this one is original Takara Tomy version of Sieg Xaclibur with sword driver. So let's do some battle, then after that we're gonna give our final verdict and we're gonna wrap this video. So guys, our stadium is set up and the first battle we're gonna do between is original Screw Trident versus fake Sieg Xaclibur. So I brought this bay just to test the attack power of this particular guy. So let me launch Screw Trident first. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Now Xaclibur. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! I would say that was pretty good, guys. Pretty intense. Xaclibur got burst, but still it was able to burst Screw Trident as well. So that's pretty good enough for a fake bay, I would say. So initially I thought that this bay is gonna be a disaster. So I think I underestimated this guy. This guy is pretty okay. So let's give this battle one more shot and let's see how that goes. So I'm ready to give this thing one more shot. So I'm gonna try that again. And let's hope that it shouldn't end in disaster this time. Here we go. Well, I guess this was a disaster after all this time. So guys, after spending 5 minutes, I was able to find all the parts which flew out of the stadium. So I guess I gave this guy a lot of credit in last battle and that credit went over his head and you saw him flew out of the stadium, right? No worries, but still let's cut this guy a slack, okay? It's a SB brand, it's not a TT. So let me take this out. And now we got the TT version. So this is where I think hell's gonna break loose because the stadium is too tiny and the place is too tight. I highly doubt it's not gonna end in burst. But we have to do what we have to do, right? So let's bring this guy against our TT version. So here we go. So we are ready for the disaster. Okay, not bad. So the fake one busted. Maybe it lost its stamina before the fight. So this time we're gonna launch the real one first, then the fake one. And again fake one did burst. Parts flew out of the stadium. I think original Xander Sakadera is not liking the fake one, and that's why he's pretty angry, and even he threw the driver out. This video was just intended for fun. Don't take it otherwise. So guys, the point is both of the bays are good. It's just for 550. This is actually not worth it. For 550 I could have easily bought this guy. I just bought this fake one because of this thing. That's the whole purpose of me buying. And it's just sad that Indian sellers, they are taking ripcords out from the box, and that is just sad, guys. And honestly guys, I have seen this issue with BUs to the, I have seen this issue with Ancient Card, and with Ancient Card guys, I have faced issues many times. This is not the first time they did something like that. So Ancient Card is a crafty fella, so be careful with them. Anyways guys, it's not worth it to spend 500 rupees on a fake. So buy a used one for that same price. That's better. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. And that's a wrap, I guess. So guys, if you have any thoughts, put down in comment section. And I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.